Hello everyone, this time I'm going to share how to install Clawdbot or Moltbot to your Slack channel so that you can use it everywhere. If you are interested in similar contents, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. To get started with Slack and Clawdbot or Moltbot, first of all, you need a dedicated Slack workspace and you are the owner or admin. And the next one is like to check about your Clawdbot or Moltbot status. To check it, you can type Clawdbot and dashboard in terminal and enter. And it will open like a web page to like show this chat interface. And you can press enter and hi maybe to test it. And when you got a reply, it proves it working. To install Clawdbot in your Slack channel, you need to basically have the Slack workspace, and you can go to the settings and to find like the admin tools maybe, and it will show you something like this. To install Clawdbot in your Slack workspace, you need Slack workspace and you need to be the owner, and we need to open the Clawdbot documentation for that. And we Google that, and we scroll down to the documentation, and then we search for Slack. And you will find the link here, api.slack.com/apps, and you can create an app here, and you can generate a token. Select the workspace here. It is called Moltbot Home. And let's create an app from manifest. Be sure to select it and select the bot home and type next. And you will find the JSON here, which is just like code. We do not need that. We delete that. And we go back to the Slack documentation page. On the right-hand side, there will be like a manifest. Let me find it. Manifest below. And here there is a copy button. Click that and we paste it to the manifest. Here we need to accept cookies. Go to the next, and we will find the bot scopes, user scopes. We confirm that. We go create. Here we go to the initial page of our Moltbot, and then we need to configure the bot. So how to configure it? We need to go back to our command line interface. We type Clawdbot and space and config, which means configurations. And here are like interactive configurations. You need the up and down arrows on your keyboard. And here we just select local, press enter on your keyboard. And then we go down to the channels part and press enter. And we select the first option, which is just basically add new channel called the Slack. And we go to the Slack for the select channel. It is a bit slow. I'm not sure why this gives a Slack. Let me see. Okay, I select it. And then it is about display name. We need to type Clawdbot, and then we need the bot token here. So how do we get a bot token? That is the most complicated part actually. So we need to, first of all, we need to get the two tabs you need to get very familiar with. The first one is the socket mode. And here we need to enable the socket mode, and it is enabled by default. Then we need to configure how to install the app. On the left-hand side of the Slack API dashboard, you will find OAuth and permissions. And it usually takes some time to load. I noticed that you can sometimes refresh it. it still takes time. You can keep refreshing and switch to different maybe features and switch back. Okay, it shows. So basically we need to like install it to our workspace because Slack is designed for work, unlike WhatsApp. So we allow that and it will be redirected back to the installation page. Here is the first token we need, starting with xoxb dash. And we copy that and paste it here to the terminal, press enter. The next token is the app token. Hopefully we find it like in the basic information. To save the bot token, we need maybe a new tab page. And we just scroll down and here is a called app level token on the basic information page. We just generate the token and here the scope is connection right. And we give random name. And here we copy the token, paste it here in the terminal and we press enter. And the next step is configure Slack channels access. So it is very simple because with Slack we have different channels. We answer yes. So to get started very easily, you can use open to allow in all channels because basically you own the channel. Then we select the last option. You can use a up arrow and select the next, the last finished. Then we configure the DM access, which is direct message. And basically we choose the default one, which is called pairing. I will answer what is pairing later. So the next one is like going to the home page. So we just need to continue the last one. So it is completed. So we go to the DMs and we might find like there is no Moltbot, so we can find the Moltbot in our workspace. We can type hi to see if it's working. And here we come to the DM access. It will ask you to pair. So how to pair? So you just need the last line of the command. You copy that and paste it to your terminal and type one more space here. And then you can copy this pairing code and paste it in the terminal to approve it. So it takes like several seconds, then you can sing hi again. So after this, you can basically install Slack and log into your account on your phone, and it will be working likely anywhere. So you can also like in your workspace add Moltbot saying hi, and you can edit and doing Moltbot hi again, and it will be answering your questions. That's it. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I will answer it. If you are interested in more contents about Clawdbot or Moltbot, please subscribe my channel, and I will be happy to share more about that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.